Alright, today we have a really nice free Lightroom preset named Cinematic Still. We're going to take a look at that. Then we're going to jump into the Creative Flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's get to our free one first. Here's before and here's after. Adds a nice cinematic tone to the image. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. Alright, now we're going to go to the Creative Flow. Let's go down to Cinematic, open that up, and down to Scene. So we're going to go through some of these really nice color and grade, nice cooler tones, but I'm going to go with the top one here, before and after. And you're going to notice two things. You get an adjustable preset and you get a profile loaded in. Let's play around with the preset. You can really see it changes the tone and color, but I'm going to leave it right at 100. And looking at our profiles, you can see we already have the cinematic open and we have the scenes profile loaded in. So you can always use that to intensify the look that way, or use it on its own, or swap them out with another profile. I'm going to try this one, blending this one in. So it's currently at 100. Dial it back and just bring it in just a touch right there. Really nice cinematic grade. Let's take a look at before and after. Here's before and here's after. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset, and I'll also put a link to the Creative Flow, which includes over 1,200 Lightroom presets and 1,200 Lightroom profiles.